Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a little bit of an awkward position, but basically I am in a blogger mode. I do have my vlogging camera out for today's video, but I will be sharing with you guys my room tour, which I can't believe I've never done that before. I've never done a room tour. Well, I mean, I've done like decor kind of things, but never like a full room tour. But anyways, we're gonna get to it. Please don't judge me and my room. It's a little bit messy. It's not completely finished. There's a few things that I need to add, but that I will do that eventually. But let's get to sharing my room, and yeah. So first things off, this is the door, and then as you walk in, ta-ta-ta, you see my room. So let me give you guys an overview, and basically that's like my room. So there's like my bed, and it's like there's something around this corner which I'll show you guys in a minute, but that's basically the overview. This is basically my closet wall, because that door right there is my closet, and it's literally like that small. I cannot fit anything, so I decided to expand it into my room, if that makes any sense. So let's start on this side. Right here is just, I have this thing that is actually I broke it when I started moving. I need to fix it, but it's just my dresser, and I have my underwear and my uniforms and all that good stuff. Right here I just have some foundations that I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with them. And then I have a candle, and then these little boxes are jewelry boxes actually. So I have like some jewelry in here, some watches, some rings, and just like general stuff in those things. Right here is my little, I don't know what you call that, like rack, I guess. It's a rack, yeah, it's a rack. And in here I just have mainly my sweaters and some dresses. I do want to say that when I moved, I got rid of literally like 80% of my closet is gone. Like, I'm not kidding. I got rid of so much clothes, and this is all I have. And I'm trying to like minimize everything. So I do have like some dresses, and then like my sweater, look at that from very bottom, my sweater. And then back down here I have more sweaters, but basically I just didn't have hangers, so I decided to put them down there. And then I have shoes also in the bottom, like sandals, boots, and like some heels on this side. I'm still trying to get rid of like some of these. I think some of these shoes are gonna go soon, because I don't know, I don't want to have like too many things. Also, my mirror was supposed to go here, this one right here. So I have this big mirror. Hey guys, I have this big mirror. I love it, absolutely love it. This one was supposed to go over here, this area right here. But when I started like fixing everything and putting my closet together, it didn't fit. It doesn't really look well. So my mirror just stands, well, it is here on this side, and then my cat is in my little rug. I love this rug, by the way. I got it from TJ Maxx, and it needs to be cleaned. It's a little dirty. But anyway, so I have this basket. In this basket I have like clothes that I can't really hang, or workout clothes. So it's literally workout clothes, shorts, things that I run out of hangers. It's just like an overall massive thing right there. And then I just have some random papers, and I'm also packing because I'll be going to San Francisco, so I have that. And then in this little bookshelf, I got this from IKEA. Honestly, all this stuff is from IKEA, like all these little shelves things. IKEA, everything. But this one right here, I had it in my old setup. It usually just had most of my makeup, but now I have boots, because it's just easy to organize into my Uggs. Look at how dirty they are. But I have perfumes over here, and just like some, like this little Too Faced bag. Up here I have nail polish, and they've been sitting here since I put them, and I haven't like used them, and they're getting a little ugly. But I have my passport little wallet that with no passport. Yeah, it's insane. I have random papers. I forgot I have that there. And then up here I just had like, it's just like decor. I have a perfume, and then I do have like some little things that I received before as a PR. And then I have this little box from Too Faced that I received a while back as PR. And in the top I have those wonderful skates that I got from Too Faced as PR mail, and I treasure them because they're just amazing. Moving on to right here, I just have shorts, and then over there I have like a bunch of scarves. I have mainly all my tops. Literally, that's all my tops. Isn't that crazy? And then in the bottom I have heels, and I do love that I don't have as much clothes. Like I use most of the same thing all the time, and I actually really like it. And then all the way to the top I do have, that's my backpack. That's my travel backpack. I travel with that one. And then I have my laptop and like a big Tory Burch bag, and then I have my Michael Kors bag that I really love, and then I do have like 2 wallets, and then I have a Disney bag that is falling. Whoops. Anyways, moving on to the side. So like I said, that thing is my closet. and it's storage. I have a bunch of stuff in there. And then I have this like mirror thing. It's jewelry. I need to get rid of it. Moving on to this side. Hey guys, I have my vanity, and it looks exactly the same. And please excuse this chair. My lovely cats over here use it to scratch, and now they've destroyed it. But over here I have my vanity, and basically the same thing. If you guys follow my channel, then you've seen this before. But I have my IKEA Alexa drawer, and I'll have them linked down below if you guys are interested. You get them from IKEA. They're really like the best thing to store your makeup. I've had these for years now, and they look a little dirty and so, but like they still function to me, and I'm gonna continue using them for a few years. They're amazing. I love them. I'm not gonna go into detail. I'm just gonna show you the overview on the top. I will be doing a makeup collection very soon, and I can show you everything in the drawer, because if not, this video would take ages. So I have my Glam Glow collection, all my masks in there. I love their packaging, but I need to figure out how to change this because it does not look cute. But I do like stack them up there for whatever reason. I do have my lipsticks up here, and then all my lippies. So I have a thing for like I love lip products, but for whatever reason I don't always use lip products. I don't know, it's weird. So in here I have them organized. I have them my, oh my god, my lip pencils, and then it goes down from like I have like lip gloss and stuff, and then they go from like matte and it's just all over brands like Too Faced. I have Makeup Forever. Like I do have like Line Crime, and yeah, I have a lot of them, and I love them. So anyways, moving on to this side, I have my brush. I think I got this from the Container Store, and then I have a bunch of brushes, and they're all very dirty. I need to clean that. Over here I have my very dirty sponges and this little thing. I think I got this from Daiso Japan. I love Daiso Japan. And then have my makeup wipes. I have these contour sticks out. They should have been put away. They're dirty. I have this thing. Look at this. It is a little trash bin. How cute is this? And it's from Daiso Japan. It's so cute. It comes in handy when I just need to throw away like Q-tips or stuff like that. I have more brushes, and then in the back I have some eye pencils. And then up here I have skincare stuff. Just like skincare and makeup remover stuff, and then acetone. What is that doing over there? And yeah, it's just skincare little area here. And then in here, this is my acrylic box that I have my like kind of like daily makeup, things that I need to use or things that I want to use. And I usually change it up a bit, but lately it's been the same for a while, but I need to change it up. So it's very dirty, please excuse me. And then moving on to this side, I do have my water bottle, because you know I love these things to hold my water because it just keeps it cooler longer, and I love it. It's like I put some stickers on it. Anyways, I do have a candle burning. I have my little lighters thingy majiggies, and then my beautiful Alexa drawer. And then moving on to the side, I do have my bed. This is my bed, guys. I did throw this blanket on top. It doesn't really go here, but I just threw it up here because I was using it. But this is my bed. If you guys know what that quote is, let me know down below. I'll be like, yeah. I have this thing from Target because I usually sit back, because if I turn this way, I have my TV right there. So I usually like sit down, and like when I watch TV in my room, I love this, or do homework. I love that thing. So yeah, that's my bed. My pillows, I have a ton of pillows. I love pillows. And then if we move on this side, I do have this little like bookshelf. And then this random coffee table, well not coffee table, but it goes on this side, but I have my ugly AC machine going on this side. So that's gonna stay there because it's still a little hot for me. So moving to my bookshelf over here, I do have my poetry collection. These are all poetry books. I absolutely love poetry books, guys. So obsessed with poetry. And then I have my Lumiere and this little clockworks. Oh my god, I can't remember his name, but I got them from Disneyland. I absolutely love them, and they hold my book and my collection together. And then this little head right here is also from Disneyland, and it's a shrunken head that you would get like it's like an alcoholic drink comes with it, and then you just get the cup. And then in here I just have my little page clips for my books. And if you guys want me to read poetry to you guys, let me know. I think that'd be very interesting. Like, I don't know, I love poetry. I do have Milk and Honey. I think if you don't like poetry, you're not sure, read this book, and I feel like you're gonna fall in love with poetry. This one is really good. It's like a good beginner for poetry. Like, I marked all the poems that I liked when I read them, and for most books I do that. I mark them which are my favorites. Favorite books right now, or in general, I love this one. This is called Planting Gardens in Graves, and it is amazing, guys. Highly recommend. You can get it in Target or Walmart, I believe. So good, super good. There's a part 2 which I do have, but I let somebody borrow it. So I actually rent. I feel like I have a library and I rent out most of my books. But Planting Graves Garden is great. Whiskey World, I think the number 2 is my favorite. I love Milk and Honey. I really like Pillow Talks. It's really good. This is one of my favorites. This is Helium by Rudy Francisco. Anyways, Helium is my favorite book. I highly recommend it. Guys, I broke Lumiere. Look at that. Oh, what a fail. At the bottom here, I just have my headphones, which actually they're outside right now. I'll show you. They're out here. I usually use these for like editing and anything. I use these like always. I love them. These are the Bose noise canceling headphones. And then I was just watching TV. I was watching Parks and Recreation. But anyways, that's my room, guys. Hope you guys liked my room. It's a little messy. I'm sorry about that. And a little unorganized, but hopefully it'll get better. I think I'm gonna get some blinds up there and change a little bit of the furniture and stuff, and definitely get another mirror for my vanity and stuff. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe if you guys do like my room tour, and let me know if you guys want to see my vanity tour. I think I'll for sure do that. I think hopefully if you guys want to see it, I'll film it. Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.